To make this Valentine person, I started by drawing my heart pattern. You can either fold your paper like this and make your heart and cut it out, or you can just freehand it like this. Now, the one that I folded, when you cut it out, it's just alike on both sides, and they don't always have to be just perfect. After I've cut my patterns, I cut them out of the construction paper that I wanted to use, and you don't have to use construction paper. You can use whatever paper you have. After I cut them out, I glued them together, and then I decorated it. Then I'm ready to make the arms and the legs. To do that, I cut out 4 strips of white and 4 of red. And I always start them like this. Doesn't matter which color you put where, but I always glue them together to start with. That keeps them from moving around. It doesn't matter which one that you fold first. That's got to stay. It's not quite glued yet. You're going to go over, and it's best if you don't pick it up when you're starting so that you don't get confused. Okay, that goes over. This goes over and over and over. Keep going to the end. When you get to the end, it may not come out exactly even, and that's all right. I'll show you how to fix that. All right, now, here we are, and it's ready to glue on. Now you have a little bit left. You want to glue this down to this part. And then this little part that's left right here, that's the part you're going to glue onto your Valentine person. Thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe button.